Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Robert the Reviewer, coming at you again with another review. That's right, folks, I'm back. Ooh, from the grave, from the dead. That's right. Haven't heard from me in a good long time. Well, anyway, I got a review for you. That's right. Did a little clever rhyme there. Wish you could come up with a clever rhyme like that, huh? Okay, so this review, I will be reviewing a knife that I got in the mail today. So here's the packaging that the knife came in. So, and then here's the blue box that the knife came in. Here's the nylon sheath pouch that it came in that you can put on your belt. And here is the plastic that the knife was wrapped in. Okay. Okay, so here it is. This is my AKC Italy swinguard switchblade. This is not, I repeat, a not. It is not a real AKC swinguard switchblade. It is a clone that was made out of China, and I bought it off of Wish.com, or you could go onto the Wish app and look up switchblade swing guards, and you'll find these knives for sale. So anyway, just about every, you know how Winchester, where every so many rifles are made, you're going to get one that's made perfect. There's no flaws, nothing like that. Well, this knife, I don't see really any flaws. Okay. Now the knife, okay, right here. See, as you can tell, it's a little bent. But if you look at the push lever, the safety lever, it's actually perfectly in place. Just about every AKC clone that I've ever bought off of Wish, except the one, okay, now the switchblade knives that I have bought have always been switchblade stilettos. I have never bought a swing guard before. This is my very first swing guard. So, my very first review video was on my very first AKC clone that I bought off of Wish, which had a black handle on it, and it was a stiletto. Now, my next one that I did buy, it was I did have a wooden handle one that I bought off of Direct Knives. It was very poor quality for, I like, when I do buy my switchblades from China, because they're within my budget range or however, I do buy the AKC clones that they make because they're made with better quality than any other switchblades that are made out of China. That's just my opinion. You may have a different opinion, but that's just my opinion. That's my you know um Yeah, I'm drinking this key lime sparkling water. No sugar, no calories, none of that. Here's my unpaid sponsor of the day. Right here. This is actually pretty good. And my other unpaid sponsor is Fanta. So anyway, um, yeah. So, um, but now I did buy an AKC clone off of Wish. Okay, out of Wish, I bought um 4 AKC clones, including this one. And the one AKC that I bought with the fake pearl handle of Pearl X handles on it, white Pearl X handles. Okay, the fake white Pearl X handles. That I actually bought off of eBay. Somebody was selling AKC clones off of eBay, and I was like, wow. Normally, you don't find switchblades on eBay, but this guy, he had some switchblades for sale on eBay, and so I wanted to get a white Pearl X handle one. I didn't care if it was real or fake. I just wanted, a nice, decent switchblade stiletto. And then the other one that I had, it had an off-white, creamy, um, colored handles, and they were all 9-inch. Okay, I love 9-inch switchblades. Now this one, on the other hand, I believe this is a 9-inch. So the handle is big. The handle is longer than the switchblade stilettos that I've had. So, all right, I'm done talking. I'm gonna fire this thing, and that way I can see what you have to say about it. So here we go. So as you can tell, I have the locking mechanism up for safety. That way, if you're carrying this around, that way if you're conceal and carrying this, or you're carrying it in this nylon sheath pouch that you put on your belt, that way if the button gets bumped, then the blade won't shoot out. Now, so I'm gonna lower this down. Here we go. There we go. See, and this part right here, get a little bit of play on it, but other than that, it's a decently good knife. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to shoot out and everything. Um, when I got this knife out of the box and everything, out of the pouch, I was like, yeah, this knife needs a little bit of work. So I ended up taking some car polish, and I polished up the blade and all the other metal parts that was on here, even the button and the locking mechanism. And then after that, I sprayed this knife down in canola oil spray. I didn't have any canola oil, so all I had was the canola oil spray. So I was like, this will work, and it'll give me the amount of canola oil that I want and need. So, because just about every switchblade that I own or had owned in the past, I've always had put canola oil in them or on them, so that way they can function better, and also do what they need to do as knives, to function and all that. so on and so forth. So here it is again. The sound of this knife, see? And just in case you don't know how swing guards work, well, when the blade shoots out, there we go. See? That's how it works. And as you can tell, I polished it, but because I keep putting my fingers on the blade, touching the blade, it's getting all smudged up. Can't get my words out. Smudged up. So, I guess I could show you how the knife works. I haven't really tested out the I haven't really tested out how sharp the blade is. I don't know how much of a bad, nasty bite this thing will give. Yeah, because if you're not careful with these knives, all I can say is they will bite you. So, yeah, that's my review on the AKC clone that I bought off of Wish, made in China. If you were to buy any switchblades off of Wish, I would recommend going for the AKC clones. To me, they're made with better quality than the non-AKC branded clones. So, this is a knife that I will be carrying around as a utility tool for when I need to open up boxes or packages, containers, stuff like that. So, alright, that's it for this review. And Robert the Reviewer is going to be going off soon, going off soon. Robert the Reviewer is going off, and I'll catch you later at another time, another video. See ya.